What is up, guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards. And on today's episode, no, we're not doing anything with the Camaro, not sadly, but some more things to come into soon. As you guys can see here, I am wearing a Tuned in Tokyo t-shirt. And so yes, this is an unveiling unboxing video. No, it is not Tuned in Tokyo. I decided to switch it up a little bit, as you guys probably see by the thumbnail. This is a different company. This is a company called TunerCult. I have seen them multiple times on Instagram and just on a couple of other social media programs. Just like showing out that what they do like car giveaways. So I actually entered to win the Nissan GTR, the R35. And it was like the Nismo Black Edition. It just like happened like maybe 2 weeks ago. Didn't win, obviously, or that would have been like the thumbnail, you know. But I bought a box, which I thought I would unveil to you guys. You guys love watching these. I also bought a hat just because the hat was super cool. So here, the box, so that I don't forget the name of it, is the In Speed We Trust theme mystery box. And then, like I said, I got a hat. So we're going to go ahead and open this box up. And let's see what's inside. Alrighty, so first things first, this is the hat that I bought. This did not come with the mystery theme box type thing. I just thought that was super cool. I don't know if you guys can see it, In Speed We Trust. I just thought, I wear snapbacks, so I thought that may have been kind of cool. Kind of the same color as the old Marrow behind me. So, let's see what this first paper says here. Ooh, this thing's thick. Oh, cool. Okay, so they gave me it looks like my invoice with everything. They even wrote, "Thanks, Zach." How cool. So first things first I didn't even know I was getting these, but I got 3 stickers. I got this one. I don't know if it'll focus, which is pretty cool, like the little design here. And then I got it's like a shadowy In Speed We Trust, as well as just TunerCult right there. So those are pretty cool. Don't know if I'll ever wear or put them on anything. I usually don't do anything with the stickers. Putting them on the cars is just not my thing. Sometimes I just give them out to buddies, or even I'll go ahead and put them on my computer. Kind of just depends. So let's go ahead and see what the first one is here. First one here, nothing on the back, but the front, as you guys can see, what does it say? In Speed We Trust. It's got a turbo and some wrenches, and says TunerCult on it. That's a pretty cool shirt. Kind of generic, but definitely kind of just a clean shirt. Actually goes well with the hat back here. Just throw that sucker up there. And the next one has this on the back. Looks like a Grim Reaper that says In Speed We Trust with the TunerCult at the bottom. That's pretty cool. And then it also has the little guy on the front right over the heart. So that's actually a pretty cool shirt. One thing I'm already starting to notice is it doesn't have a whole lot of color. That's one thing that I wish maybe in the next couple ones there will be, but there's only 4 shirts too. So like, I don't know if maybe I screwed myself on this. I did want to see the difference between a Tuned in Tokyo one and a TunerCult one. So this one only has 4 shirts plus the hat that I bought. So I'm hoping that the shirts get a little better. There's this one that says In Speed We Trust. Pretty cool. It's got a little more color to it. It's not a bad shirt. I like that one actually, probably so far out of the most. And then, let's see, this is the last one here. That one's pretty cool with the rose and then the wrenches in there, and it's even got it over the heart. Doesn't say that it's a In Speed We Trust, but that's a pretty cool shirt. I definitely will wear that one just because it's got the color, and I do like the roses and the wrenches and all that stuff. So yeah, short video, huh? So only 4 shirts. Like I said, I think I spent about $80 on just the mystery box alone. So if you do the math, that's $20 a shirt. Whereas for Tuned in Tokyo, you get like 6 different shirts. You get, what else? a hoodie, long sleeves, a hat, stickers, a keychain, a backpack, and this isn't really like a what do you want to call it, a versus video, like is this mystery box better than this mystery box. I just wanted to try something new, just to see what the different kinds are, because there's really, I think only TunerCult is the only brand that does the mystery boxes. So I thought I'd try out TunerCult, see if I'd ever win the GTR. Obviously didn't. There's no way in heck I could ever win that. So that's going to conclude today's video. Hopefully you guys did like this. Sorry it was short. Sorry it was a little less content on the merchandise and apparel category. Leave a comment down below if you guys want to see more TunerCult stuff, or if you guys want to see some Tune in Tokyo stuff. I know that you guys love those videos. I've posted 3 of those. You guys always comment on them, always are asking questions about them, and I love it. Thank you very much. And if you guys want to see more of these unboxings, just leave a comment down below. Maybe a company, if there's even a new company that I don't know about, leave it down in the comments and I'll try it out. I mean, I like to wear shirts. I'm a shirt guy, obviously, so that'd be super cool. And hopefully you guys did like this. Make sure you leave a like, hit that comment. Leave a like, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.